Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python on your mobile phone. Learning Python doesn't require a desktop computer anymore. Your smartphone is a powerful tool for coding on the go. We'll explore various apps and resources that make mobile Python learning effective and fun. You can practice syntax, solve challenges, and even run simple scripts directly from your device, making every spare moment a learning opportunity. Several excellent apps can kickstart your Python journey. Solo Learn is fantastic for beginners, offering structured courses and a community. Mimo makes learning feel like a game with its engaging interface and short exercises. For a more advanced experience, Pidroid 3 on Android provides a complete development environment, allowing you to write, run, and debug Python code just like on a desktop. These tools make consistent practice simple. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. And on another note, life's too short for a stinky car, right? Grab yourself a Little Trees Black Ice air freshener. It's a game changer for your daily commute, keeping things fresh and clean. You can find the link for that and other awesome deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Beyond dedicated apps, many online resources are mobile-friendly. You can access platforms like Codecademy or Free Code Camp directly through your phone's browser, completing lessons and projects. Websites like HackerRank or LeetCode offer coding challenges that are perfect for quick practice sessions. Engaging with online communities or forums on your phone can also provide valuable insights and help when you get stuck, fostering a collaborative learning environment. To maximize your mobile Python learning, establish a routine. Dedicate 15 to 30 minutes daily to coding practice. Consider using a portable Bluetooth keyboard for more comfortable typing during longer sessions, as this can significantly improve your efficiency. Remember to take short breaks to rest your eyes and mind, ensuring you stay focused and avoid burnout. Consistent, mindful practice is key to mastering Python on your phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.